friends, welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. Today we will learn about Google Keep. Google Keep is a productivity tool by Google. So let's get insight of it. We can open Google Keep by this method. Right here keep.google.com. See, here we are into the Google Keep. Now, if we want to write any or make any note, first of all, we have to give a title. For example, if I am making a vegetables list which I want to buy from market, I will give it the title as vegetables. Now, I will start writing the items here or vegetables like beetroot, then turnip, broccoli, then potato, tomatoes, onion, and celery. So these are the items I want to buy from vegetable market. Okay, I can customize it with different colors, like I want to use this blue color and other things. I can add image also. Here I want to add this image. I can add this image here. Also there are other options. I can add label. Okay, so I can add a label here. This is not a grocery list, it is a vegetable list, so I can make a new label as well here. And in this I have done this. Now I can add check boxes here. See, in this vegetables list I can see now all the items with a check box. The items where I tick like this, those are the completed items. They will go below here and they will be shown in the completed items. Okay. Similarly, if I want to uncheck all the items, I can do like this. See, I have done this unchecking, and if I want to hide these check boxes, see, it has become again like the way before they were. So I can show the check boxes here, and I can, if we are going out to buy vegetables, surely we will be wanting to cross the items we have already bought. So these are the completed items here. If I have already shown you how to add the label. Add drawing, it is similar to adding a picture here. Like here I want to draw something. Okay, so this is, I have drawn and it will be added here. See, this is added here. One, I added this picture, and second is this drawing. Okay, I can add the reminder as well, like there is a reminder already set for 8 p.m. today. Okay, so I will add this. At 8 p.m. I will be given a call, and this is under, oh, this was under, I have not added the label here. Add the label. So label here is vegetable. So I can see this in the vegetables. I have this list, and in grocery I have this list. Okay, and in notes I can see all these lists. If I want to create a new list, I can add here the new list items. Like if I want to buy some clothes for a trip or some items for a trip, so I can give it the name as trip items, and those can be like shower gel, shower cap, bathrobes, etc. So I can create as many lists as I want, and I can customize them according to my needs. I can add any pictures, like I have added here. I can add drawings. I can add or show checkboxes. I can delete them, like I want to delete this, and if I want to get that back, I can undo that. Okay, so this is a great tool which works with phones, computers and tablets. The data which you are creating here gets stored in the cloud.
So this is the Google Keep app, which is available on Google Play Store and App Store in both Android and iOS. So to start, we will click this. To add a new note, I will press this plus button. It is asking for a title. Let's say it is grocery items. I will add our oats, bread, butter, milk, sugar, eggs, granola and pulses. So these are the items I want to buy. Now I can add the tick boxes here with this option, and whatever the items I am ticking, they will come under the ticked item section. Okay, I can also insert a photo from camera. I can also choose any image which is already present in my mobile phone. I can insert this drawing as we did in the website version, and also I can insert the recording. Now here I can hide the tick boxes. It is asking me to delete the ticked items. I want to keep them. Okay, now again I will add the tick boxes here, and if I want to customize it using different colors, see I have chosen this color. If I want to make a copy, make a copy. Okay, so the copy has been created now. If I want to add any label, there are labels I have already created, so I will list it under grocery label. Okay, and I can send it with the send button. I can also delete this. See, I have already deleted the previous one, and this is the copy which we created, and this is the reminder. If I want a reminder at 8 p.m. it will ring. So it is very much similar to what we have already done.
Therefore, we can use it anywhere and more conveniently on our mobile phones. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe.